Hello guys and welcome back to ARTazzlers. So as today it's Father's Day, I decided to spend some time with my father, and so for the first time on this channel we have my father today. Big round of applause.
Hello everyone.
So guys, if you want to have a special bond building activity with your father, you can keep watching this video. So guys, for the first activity, I have set the timer to a minute over here, and both of us will be making a birthday card, and we have a minute to make it, and we have to use our imagination, and we will be using these crayons and this paper. So on your marks, Papa, ready? Okay, we are ready, and the timer starts. Time. Yeah, this is not bad. Let's stop this. So guys, this is what my dad has made, and this is what I have made. I think you are the winner. मैं तो कुछ करती भी नहीं हूँ, वो मैं तो करती रहती हूँ, आप तो कुछ करते नहीं हो, तब भी आपने इतना अच्छा बनाया है. I think guys we should give it to him. Yay! So guys, my father is a chemical engineer, and today I'm going to ask him some chemical formulas which he studied long time ago, and let's see how many can he recall. Okay, and also if you can modify this activity, like if your father is a lawyer, you can ask him some sections or something. Okay, so let's get started. I'm setting the timer again to 1 minute, and let's see how many he can get. Okay. Copper sulfate.
USO4.
Okay, correct. Zinc nitrate. Okay, time is running. ZNO3
twice.
Yes. Sulfuric acid.
H2SO4.
Octane.
C8H18.
Good. Okay. Phosphoric acid.
HO3P.
No. Okay. Ethanol.
Ethanol is C2H5OH.
Okay. And hydrogen peroxide.
H2O2.
Okay. Baking soda. 6 seconds left.
Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. NaHCl.
Okay, the timer ran out, but he got this one also right. I think most of them were right. You did a good job. Okay. So guys, in this next round, we're going to do some random summations. Like he's going to ask me the questions, and I have to get the answer to it. So for this also, I'm putting the timer for a minute, and let's see how many I can get. Okay.
43 plus 23.
66.
27 plus 19.
46.
81 plus 13.
94.
74 plus 24.
74 plus 24 is 98.
18 plus 53.
18 plus 53 is I don't know, pass.
Idiot. 65 plus 17.
65 plus 17 would be 82.
18 plus 36.
18 plus 36, 18, 30, 54.
44 plus 51.
96. Then the timer is up on only 5 seconds left, so I answered like
44 plus 51, 96.
yes, 95. You said 45 plus 51. So guys, now it's his turn. I'm going to ask him the random summation questions. Ready? Let's get started. 23 plus 37.
60.
48 plus 25.
63.
73. 81 plus 11.
92.
19 plus 54.
73.
36 plus 44.
70.
80. 18 plus 38.
18 plus 38. 56.
60 plus 29.
89.
73 plus 18.
91.
Okay, 27 plus 19.
46.
33 plus 48.
7.
Oh,
81.
yes. I think आपको ज़्यादा है इसमें. I asked him the easy one. You asked me the tough questions. This round we are going to arm wrestle and let's see who is stronger. Okay, ready? Yeah, yeah. On your mark, get set, go. Ooh, no. I need some cheering here. No. Best of 3.
Best of 10.
Best of 10 also you'll win. The next challenge from my dad is to give me a nice hairstyle, and these are the stuff he'll be getting, and you can go on creative, and we'll start the timer now. Wow! So guys, this is how I look. This trend-setting hairstyle has been given by my father. Very nice. I am proud of you. So guys, those were the activities which you can try out with your father. Very simple activities, don't require much effort, and you guys will end up having some great times like we did. And I have the last thing for you. I've made this cake.
Hey, wow. Nice.
So much overacting. And go ahead, enjoy with your fathers and make this Father's Day memorable. Bye bye. Watching this video. Challenge. Hi.
करना था